number 11 from the fall 2014 Physics 2048 exam. So, the problem reads, Jack wants to row directly across a river from the east shore to a point on the west shore, as shown in the figure. The width of the river is 250 meters, and the current flows from north to south at 0.5 meters per second. The trip takes Jack 4 minutes. At what speed in meters per second with respect to the still water is Jack able to row? So this is not as difficult as you may think it is. It's actually rather simple. We're going to break Jack's velocity into its respective components. So here we have the vector, velocity vector, and we actually told what the y component is straight up. The y component is just 0.5 meters per second. That's how much Jack is moving down, and we can describe that right here. So it's 0.5, and we can easily calculate the horizontal x component of this velocity. And all we really need to do for that is we're told the width of the river. That's how horizontally how long the river is, and we're told how long it takes Jack to travel that distance. So by just taking into account the horizontal part, we know that 250 divided by 4 minutes, but we want to get it in meters per second, so we know that 4 minutes is equal to 240 seconds. So 250 meters divided by 240 seconds is going to give us our answer. So let's use our handy calculator again. Make sure you can see vector v vector equals the components, one of which was already given to us. We just got to make sure that we knew that was that was indeed the y component of that velocity, and then we're calculating the x component, which should be this. And once we calculate that, we are going to see that that is equal to about it's a rather let's just say it's 25 over 24 seconds. It actually, I mean, you can calculate it. You get about 1.041, about 1.042 or so seconds. Anyways, so let's just write this. Okay, 25 over 24. So that's not, yeah, that's it. And it's not seconds, I'm sorry. That's meters per second. Meters per second. 25 over 24 meters per second. So now, all we really need to do is look at what it says. It asks us at what speed in meters per second with respect to still water is Jack able to row. Speed, that's a key word. That means the magnitude of the velocity. So calculating the magnitude of the velocity is pretty easy. It is just using the Pythagorean derivation, also known as the distance formula. So 0.5 squared. And at this point, I'm going to use my calculator to tell you exactly what that is. And I already calculated it. You can do so as well. And then that's about 1.16 meters per second. And that is our answer.